All right, so we're going to add whole numbers. I'm not going to spend a huge, long, drawn out adding whole numbers. I'm going to give you some examples and I'm going to let you run with it. Okay, this is something that we should be able to do at this stage of the game. So I'm just going to give you a couple numbers. So let's add some things together. Now, there's an understanding that has to happen here. When I say 7 plus 9, I can only ever have in my ones place value, and both these numbers are ones. That's 7 ones. This is 9 ones. I can only ever have a possibility of 10 numbers there. Those numbers are 0 through 9. Once it goes past 9, now I get a 1 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place. So I have to go over. As you can see, we're almost to 10 as it is right now. If I add 7 more to it, I get 16. That's not all in the ones place. I have a 1 in the tens place and a 6 in the ones place. Now, that goes a long ways also, because no matter how big that number is, all I really have to do is add up my place value. So let's go another number here, a little bit bigger. 23,156. Let's add it to 17,495. We'll try to slow down because I think slowing down gets rid of that. I tried to slow down a little bit there and it didn't do it. Anything in math that can be written left to right can be written top to bottom. So sometimes you may have to manipulate just a little bit to get to this number. Okay, and when I say top to bottom, left to right is top to bottom, that's the left, it is the top. So I'm going to go 23,000, comma, 156. All right, and then I line up my place values. This is in the 1 for the 17 is in the 10,000th place. It goes in the 10,000th place, which is where that 2 is. My commas will line up. Eventually what will happen is if my place values line up, my commas will line up, and when I get to decimals, they will line up as well. Now, as I talked about earlier, this is left is top, right is bottom. So top to bottom is left to right. Now I add up 6 and 5, which is greater than 10. So I get 1, because that answers 11, and the 1 carries over to these numbers that are in the 10th place, which now gives me 15, which now gives me 6. The comma drops straight down, and here again I have a 10, so 10, the 1 goes up, and I get a number of 40,651. If there's a number that's not here, like let's say this was 23,156 plus 45, you still add up the ones and the tens place. Not a big deal. All right. When we go to decimals, it's crucial that you understand this. All right. Thank you.